I get a lot of requests from people wanting to know what I use to clean my home with, so here are my favorite products. I am loving these E-Cloths. Never again will I have to buy chemicals to wash my mirrors. It comes with 2 cloths, one wet to clean and one dry to remove spots. Power Paste has become one of my favorites. I love it in the shower, especially on the glass doors. It's the best thing I have found for removing spots. This is a mattress vacuum. This thing is fabulous at removing dust mites, dead skin cells, and pet dander from your mattress. For anyone who has allergies, this is essential. I'm always shocked when people ask me what this is, but this is a toilet bowl cleaner that I love, and it's disposable. When you're finished, you just pop it right into the trash. This is a scouring stick. This thing is great at removing that unsightly toilet bowl ring or any kind of stains in your tubs. Mopping Slippers are another product that I found this year that I love. No more slipping or scaling the walls to my bedroom, and they're machine washable, which is great. I'm sure you've seen this little bad boy in a lot of my videos. No, it's not my husband's toothbrush. This is actually a power grout scrubber that's great for getting small areas around your kitchen and bathroom. Mineral oil is another tip I found this year. It is amazing at getting rid of spots on my stainless and on my fixtures. I am loving these compressed cleaning sponges. They also come in facial sponges too, which I'm obsessed with. But these are great because they don't take up a lot of space when you're storing. And my newest cleaning tool that I have been enjoying is the paper towel spray pump. This one actually I am using way more than I thought I would. It is very convenient, especially now since we are going through potty training with Kobe and I'm having to clean up messes in every room. Mops. I will start from my cheapest to my most expensive. I love this spray mop for quick and easy spills, and one of the things is great is that you don't have to buy refills. You can use whatever cleaner you like, and it has washable pads. Next is the spin mop. This is my favorite mop of all my mops. You just pop it in the little spinner and it gets it pretty dry so you don't have water all over the floor. Plus, it's great for doing baseboards, cleaning your cupboards, doing your doors, of course my shower, which I don't have to get on my knees anymore, and my trash cans, which is great. And if you're in the market for a fancier mop with more technology, the Tynaco is great. It picks up all the dirt off my floor and it's super easy to clean. But the one thing I do recommend is that you air dry all the parts before you store them so things don't get smelly.